Hello guys and welcome back to yet another epic episode on DashCam channel. This episode is packed with all sorts of crazy clips, full of crashes, road rage and many more encounters. And we'll start this episode off with a rude driver who was backing out of his parking space but forgot to check his mirrors. Check it out. One driver was a bit impatient at the drive-thru, so he caused an accident. But that's not the worst part. The situation got even more heated as the driver got out of his car and the crazy road rage took place. Pay close attention at the camera's right side. This crazy driver in a pickup used his indicators, and for a moment he thought that would give him the right of way. So he casually resorted to cutting in front of the camera, and he caused an accident in the process. Camera caught a rude driver flying into the roundabout without bothering to look if it's safe first. Car driver indicated to make a right turn, but instead of doing that, he simply drove straight ahead.
And 471 white male inmates for 100,000 white males. Prison rate, HIV infection among incarcerated.
Continue on Alaska 1 North for 2 miles.
Okay, Garmin. Save video.
Dangerous and reckless driving at its peak here, as this crazy driver swerved in and out of lanes, nearly causing multiple accidents. Pay close attention at the driver in front of the camera. He was driving according to the speed limit, but at some point he got really impatient and he decided to overtake a vehicle in front of him. But that's not all.
Unless the Miz cheats somehow.
Whoa, Mike!
Didn't want to wait, did he? Look at him go. He has no disregard.
Reckless driver in a red pickup truck all of a sudden cut right in front of the camera and he started brake checking him for no reason. But that's about to change really soon. The reason for such rude and reckless road behavior is unknown, and the camera was simply minding his own business before all of this happened. But luckily, he had a solution for it. This biker wanted to risk it by passing the semi-truck driver on the inside, and unfortunately he hit some cones in the process. The only good thing here is that the biker didn't crash, because a crash at this rate of speed would be fatal for him. This is usually what happens when you don't pay attention at your side mirrors before pulling out onto the road. The driver was even lucky to not get rear-ended. How can anyone merge onto a busy road as such without bothering to look left and right first? This crazy pickup truck driver is about to learn this lesson the hard way. In this video here, as you can see, the camera got cut off by a crazy driver who was not bothered to look left and right first before pulling out right in front of him. But luckily, karma paid this rude driver a visit. Check it out. And with this clip, we conclude yet another amazing episode on NewYorkDashCam channel. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching and learning something new out of all the mistakes you saw. If you support my work, please don't hesitate to leave a like, because that's the only thing that can help us grow. While you're at it, click on the subscribe and bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content we put out. And of course, until the next episode, drive safe and watch yourselves.